In this series of tutorials, I'm going to show you how to utilize Nearpod for your classroom and how to navigate the site. Once you've gone on to nearpod.com, you can join for free. Click on My Nearpod. This page here has several different tabs. This first one, My Library, this shows you what you already have created or what has been shared with you already. If we go back, the Explore tab, this shows you all of the different Nearpods that have been uploaded onto the server, what Nearpod has to offer, and you can search through category or grade or subject content. The Join tab here, if someone has started a Nearpod that they want for you to be engaged in, they'll have a 5-digit code, and you'll type that in here, and you will join their session. Oops. The fourth one is Create, and this one goes through how to create a lesson specifically. And the last one is Reports. This is going to be a great way for you to pull data specifically for whether it's collaborative planning or for administration or for your gradebook.